Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today we're going to show you how you can tag someone on X or Twitter. Let's get started. The first thing we need to access is our X or Twitter account. In this case, let's open up the X application. Once logged in, you should see the main UI for X. To tag someone on X or Twitter, click on the plus button and choose the option that says Post. In the Post section, type in your message. To tag someone, switch your keyboard to the @ symbol section. Once you see the symbol, click on the @ button and type in the name of the person you want to tag. Choose their account and then click on Post. If you want to reply to a post, click on the option that says Reply and follow the same steps to tag someone in your reply. That's it. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.